all. This is Komli from BVC Engineering College, Odal Revu. Today we are going to solve some problems by applying a square wave to a low pass RC. Try to solve this problem. A symmetrical square wave of amplitude plus or minus 5 volts means that having maximum voltage of 5 volts and the minimum voltage of 5 volts and frequency is 2 kHz is impressed on RC low pass circuit if R equal to 5 Hz and C equal to 0.1 microfarad. Calculate and plot the steady state output with respect to the time. We have to calculate the value of output voltage and we have to plot the waveform of the output. This is low pass RC circuit. We have 5 Hz resistance value and 0.1 microfarad is the capacitance value. We have to find the output value. We have V of t is plus or minus 5 volts, and regarding this I drawn a waveform, that is a square wave having magnitude of maximum of plus 5 volts and the minimum of minus 5 volts, and the average is 0 volt, and we have frequency of 2 kHz. So write the given data. V is equal to plus or minus 5 volts, by that it has 10 volts peak to peak, and R equal to 5 Hz and C is equal to 0.1 microfarad and F equal to 2 kilo ohm, by that time period T is equal to 1 by 2 kilohertz. Why? Because time period equal to 1 by frequency, which equal to 0.5 milliseconds. So the 0.5 milliseconds is the value of time period. Now calculate RC. So R is 5 into 0.1 microfarads. It is H, and 0.5 is the value of RC. So both are equal. So RC is equal to T is the relation in between RC and T. For getting the responses of square wave, we have to discuss the relationships in between RC and T. That is, RC is very less than T, and RC is just less than T, and RC is very greater than T. Depending upon these conditions, and that means these relationships, we got different shapes of that square wave curve. We have the relationship as RC. Let me calculate the value of output, that is V1 equal to minus V2 will be equal to V by 2 into 1 minus e power minus t by 2 RC divided by 1 plus e power minus t by 2 RC. Now 10 by 2 into 1 minus e power minus 0.5 divided by 2 into 0.5 whole divided by 1 plus e power minus 0.5 divided by 2 into 0.5. Now 5 into 1 minus e power minus 0.5 divided by 1 plus e power minus 0.5. Now the value of my e power minus 0.5 is 5 into 1 minus 0.606 divided by 1 plus 0.606. That is, the final value is 1.22 volts. Therefore, V1 equal to 1.22 volts and V2 equal to minus 1.22 volts. These are the voltages of the output. Now let me draw our output. It is 0 and this is voltage in volts and this is time in milliseconds, and it is 0 and let's draw our input in a dotted line way. It is plus 5 volts and it is minus 5 volts. So we have V1 should be placed here, that is 1.5. This is 1.22 volts and this is minus 1.22 volts. This is V2. So, and I'm extending it. This is the output curve and this is the final voltage values and the output waveform. By that way we can solve the low pass RC square wave. I am solving for a symmetrical square wave, but in the next video I will explain how to solve unsymmetrical waveform.